This tutorial is to help you with taking quizzes inside of Moodle. I created a sample quiz and I put it up here at the top part of the website just for as an example for this tutorial. Whenever you see the piece of paper icon with the check mark, that is the icon that says that the text is going to link you to a quiz. You can see the same thing down here below with the syllabus quiz at the same time. It has the same icon. So when you double click on the quiz, it is going to take you to the quiz parameters page, which will give you the information on when the quiz opens and when the quiz closes, time limit, etc. Important note on the time quizzes close. 11:55 p.m. is when all quizzes will close. That's the latest we can go in the day because the settings are in 5-minute increments, and obviously midnight is the next day. So you have to have all of your quiz questions answered. This is not the deadline to start the quiz, it's the deadline to finish the quiz. Moodle will not save any answers after 11:55 p.m. Time limit here, 10 minutes. Usually I go 1 minute per question, but in this example, I just wanted to give myself enough time to talk without the time running out. Grading method is highest grade. That means that you can take this quiz more than one time. The only quiz that you can do that on is the syllabus quiz. All the other quizzes you may only take one time. So when you click to start the attempt, it'll basically give you the confirmation dialog box. Are you sure? Once you click start the attempt, you are going to have to complete the exam. Okay. I've given two simple questions here. Obviously, this is the exact same question. I want to answer one correctly and one incorrectly so I can show you what that looks like here in a minute. But first of all, let's go to the top left corner on quiz navigation. Obviously, you can see the entire quiz on the screen here because there's only two questions. But when you have 20 question quizzes, or when you have the midterm or final, which are 100 questions, you'll be able to jump from question 87 to question 6 or whatever it may be if you had to skip one unanswered. Second thing you notice is your time limit. Your time limit is always counting down in the top left corner. Okay, so you can always keep an eye on that, knowing you have 1 minute per question. First question, the name of the course is Diet and Fitness. That is correct. I'm going to put true. Now, just for example's sake, I am going to skip answering question number 2, and I'm going to try to close the quiz up by going next. Before I hit submit all and finish, I want to peek up here, and it says that I saved answer for number 1, but I did not yet save an answer for number 2. Because my time limit is still counting down and I have time left, I can go back and return to the attempt in case you accidentally missed one question. Now, obviously, the answer is true for this, but I'm going to purposely choose false just so I can show you what a wrong answer is. When I'm done, I click next. Now I have both answers saved, so I'm going to submit all and finish. Again, confirmation, submit all and finish, and now we have a score. So when you're done, it'll take you back to the website. Then you can open up the sample quiz one more time and it'll tell you the exact time frame that you took it when you finished. It's going to tell you that you got 1 correct out of 2 questions, which was 5 points out of 10. Now what you can do is you can go back and review your quiz questions. You can see that you answered the first question correctly with the green check mark being true, the comment down below telling you it's true. Then you have the red X saying that false is the incorrect answer, and it tells you what the correct answer is. On quiz navigation, all of your green boxes are going to be correct. All of your red boxes are going to be incorrect. And again, it has your grade right there. At the bottom, you can finish review. And now you have the ability to take the quiz one more time. Now that I have reviewed it, I know that both answers are going to be true, so I can save those, submit all and finish, and now I have my highest score recorded. So when I go back out, I can click on the quiz itself to get the data, and it shows right here that my grade is 10 points out of 10 points. I took it at 12:06 and 12:08. The first time I only got 1, the second time I got it correct, and now I am done.